We remove the chook manure out of chook sheds. Once the birds have gone, we load it out onto trucks, and my wife Denise sells a big percentage of it. And then once the sheds have been washed and sanitised, we come back and put wood shavings back in on the floor. Cover the area from Tahuna to the north as far south as Pataru, across to Narrow here. We have been a customer of Norwood's for 15 years. We have bought many a Kubota tractor off Norwood's. We intend to carry on. When I first got into this, I inherited a Kubota. The confined spaces we work in, the conditions we work in, plus they are hydrostatic, and we need hydrostatic tractors, and they are extremely reliable. The Kubota tractor that's cleaning here today is a 5740 hydrostatic, the biggest tractor that we can use in these sheds, and they're great. We love Kubotas and we do not use anything else. Norwoods are a good company to deal with. Servicing, breakdowns, they understand the situation that I am a contractor and I cannot sit idle. These sheds need to be empty. They will work 24 hours a day to get me going again. Yeah, I would recommend Norwoods. They are a very good company to deal with. They look after you, they treat you well, and they are A1.